Hey guys, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Pinkvilla.
Hello all you beautiful people, it's me Avantika and we're back with another episode of Feet on Street, and guess where we are? Well, we're at the Lakme Fashion Week, and as soon as I stepped in there were like people who dressed really well. So we just knew it that the second episode has to be full of fashion, and what better place than this. So today we're going to find out all the chic fashion and all the best street style at Lakme Fashion Week. So let's get started! So is this a look that you're wearing, or this is your personal style?
This is basically I'm wearing this from the different designers. So one is the jacket is wearing from Pawan Sachdeva, the shirt is from Rohit Rahul Gandhi, and the pant is from Sahil Aneja. So I include everything and I make my own outfit.
It's Fashion Week. I'm in the mood that I'm currently in right now. I'm happy. It's a fun, chill vibe. So I just wanted to portray it through my outfit.
One person who you think is pioneering fashion, hardcore fashion in India?
I would say definitely Janhvi Kapoor, and I would also say when it comes to very classy, very sophisticated vibe, I would say Rahul Khanna.
Okay, one final style tip for all the girls. Like if who's on the go, 5 minutes how to get ready and look fabulous.
Wear a nice easy shirt, wear flats if you're on the run, and definitely don't forget the mascara and a nice lip color, if anything fresh.
Wear a cool t-shirt, pair up with shorts and very cool shoes, very cool sneakers and a cool bag to go with. But make it simple, minimal and just go with it.
One thing that she is obsessing over.
Cool t-shirts. Like, you should see the back of this one.
Okay guys, you want to see this?
I'll show you like that.
And it's a wrap from us today. I hope you guys had a lot of fun, and from everything that we saw, what pointers we take away is that easy, chic and comfortable clothing is the way to go. So go easy and feel free and be totally fashionable. Have a lot of fun. Bye you guys.